What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all financial areas from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, savings challenges, sinking funds, debt payoff, all while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so that you can stay notified whenever I upload. Come on and join the shmoney team because we over here getting our shmoney together, baby. No, y'all like the anthem, right? Shmoney team, get it together. Okay, so as you can tell from the title of the video, today's video is going to be slightly different. So I said, let me give them a little something different. You know what I'm saying? So today, I decided to share with you guys how I stay encouraged and how I manifest more money, more income, more abundance in my life. So my little green book right here, it says, look to the sunny side on the front. This is just a regular notebook. Oh, where did this come from? I did not know this was in here, guys. I did not know this was in here. I may have put it in here. I don't know. But this is just a regular notebook. That's just such a good sign that I opened it up and it was $1 right there. So this book I use to write my daily manifestations, my daily mantras. What I usually do in this book is I would just open up a page. Hold on. Let me go to a blank page and I would just date it. So today is, I don't like writing on the back of pages. So today is 2/15/22. And I will begin like, I have a great relationship with money. Then I would go into write maybe something like money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I have the ability to increase my income. I am making so much money. And lastly, I would write something like, I have no lack. I have everything I need. Sometimes I do one of these or I may do them all together. It's whatever I feel, right? So that's my little green book. Look to the sunny side. I chose this book because it was green. Green represents abundance and money and stuff like that. And I really thought this would be a great book. It's small enough to fit in my purse so I can carry it around with me and just write my positive affirmations, my mantras. Just this book really helps to keep me motivated and inspired. And I can always go back and look at it and, you know, get inspiration from it. So next, I want to show you guys a little bit of candle magic. Say I want more sales on my Etsy shop. It can be whatever you want. So I'll take something sharp like this. It doesn't have to be, this is like one of my nail tools I use when I'm doing nails or whatever. And you could use the end of an incense, you know, anything that's sharp. So I would carve in this and be careful with what you ask for. So don't limit yourself to, hey, I want $100. Do you want $100 or you want $1 million? You know what I'm saying? So let me think for a second because I want to say, I want to put consistent Etsy sales. So I would carve that in here. Consistent Etsy sales. And then what I personally like to do is to carve my birthday in it. So I'll put 5/20/83, and then I'll put my name. And what you have to do is write really, really small, right? So then you don't have to do this second step, but this is what I'm letting you guys know what I do. I'll take some of my money oil, and me and my daughter actually made this, and I would just take a drop or two of my money oil and I would put it on my candle like so. And then I would light the candle. What happens to the lighter? Oh, it's right here. Then I would light this candle and I would let it burn until I would not blow it out. I would let it burn until it burns out. That's why I usually use small tea tree candles. And once I light it, then I'll go in and I would say, I am abundant. I have everything I need. Money flows to me effortlessly. Money flows to me easily. I have everything I want and need. I have the ability to bless those that are less fortunate than me or that don't have as much as me. And so I would say that, and then I would just let it burn. Okay. Next, I want to talk about my crystals, because guys, I am a earth sign. I am a Taurus, and earth signs usually are very, very drawn to crystals. I'm very drawn to crystals. When I first was introduced to them, first of all, I thought they were so beautiful, all the different kinds. But then once I started learning how they can help you out in your life, and you know, certain crystals are for certain things, I really got drawn into you know, collecting them and studying them. They have been so useful within the last 2 years that it's crazy. Like I really love crystals. And then so I want to tell you guys a little bit about these particular 3 crystals, because these crystals are good for manifesting money. But I also want to show you guys my amethyst that I have right here. And I brought my amethyst out because when I begun to record the video, I just had a rush of anxiety. I don't know why. Like sometimes I get super anxious around my finances, and I don't understand why. And I mean, it was to the point that I was like breathing hard. I couldn't even really get my words out like I wanted to. So I had to run and go grab my amethyst, which is really good for stress relief, anxiety, and it has many, many other uses. But let's talk about these particular crystals. So this one is malachite. This one is tiger's eye. And this one is green adventurine. And I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not sure. But yes, a little backstory about this crystal. This crystal was actually given to me by a fellow small business owner. We went to high school together, and she gave me this because she said that she saw how I was working hard on my business and everything, and she wanted to send prosperity and good fortune for my business. And just she gave me this. Oh, I ordered some waist beads from her. That's what it was. I ordered some waist beads and she gave me this as a gift. So shout out to you, Keisha. I really appreciate this. Malachite first. Malachite gives you strength and confidence. Look at how pretty malachite is. Malachite gives you strength and confidence. It also shows you that it's all right to change, okay? These are important qualities when going after dreams, because you'll know that you can keep moving forward even when there are obstacles in your way. Malachite is linked to the heart and is incredibly effective when worn in a necklace over your chest. This will also help remind you to stay passionate about your financial goals and to follow your heart when making decisions. It's one of the best crystals for money, as it keeps you on track and following your financial goals. So I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but a lot of times malachite is almost in every one of my videos. So I'm really drawn to malachite. This is a super powerful crystal. And then let's talk about tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is often good for luck and fortune, but it is also closely linked to the mind. Mental, y'all. It gives you patience, strength, and determination to help you follow the right path. When you carry Tiger's eye with you, you'll find it keeps you grounded. I love Tiger's eye. The best way to use this crystal for wealth is to hold it in your hand or simply keep it close in a pocket. The stone will serve as a solid reminder of what you want and the path that you need to follow in order to get it. Tiger's eye is another one I'm sure you guys have seen a lot in my videos. And let's talk about green adventuring. This stone is all about opportunities and attracting good fortune. There are many stories of people winning big or coming into money thanks to their use of green aventurine to manifest their financial desires. It is certainly not a bad crystal for money to keep around. Green aventurine works best when it is kept in places where money should be, okay? In your pocket, in your wallet. I think I'm going to keep it inside of one of my binders. I really think that's an awesome idea. So, oh, that's funny that it says businesses can keep it in their checkout or cash boxes, while individuals can keep it some in their wallet or purse. If you're entering a competition with a cash prize, be sure to keep the stone with you throughout. Okay, so these are some really powerful crystals, guys. These are some really powerful crystals. So I hope this is all that I have for you guys. It's really simple. Like, I know this is a really short video, but it's like really simple. These are the things that I do to manifest more money in my life. And let me give you a small testimony before I go. One of my goals for 2022, which is this year, okay? No, seriously. One of my goals was to increase my Etsy sales. So guys, I think I have had 8 sales. I got 8 sales on my Etsy shop, and these are the daily practices that I am practicing to increase my income and also to keep me encouraged and to keep me going, to keep a positive mind frame about my finances. And also, guess what, y'all? I started back driving for Uber. So we're going to have some little side hustle money, okay? We're going to have some side hustle money, hey, side hustle money, hey. So I probably will have a video next week. I probably will include my income that I make for the next few days over the weekend with next week's cash stuffing. I love you guys so much. If you are new, this is your first time watching, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell notification below so you will not miss a beat. Because we the shmoney team over here, we're getting our shmoney together, baby. Like, it's no other way. We're getting the money together. We're going up from here. So if you guys do not have crystals, if you are unsure about if you would want to work with some crystals, I suggest you to go to your local crystal shop and just ask the people in there, you know, about malachite, green aventurine, tiger's eye. Some crystals are kind of pricey and some you can get really, really cheap. Be aware of people selling fake crystals. And yeah, give this video a great big thumbs up if you think that you would consider either writing positive affirmations regarding money, candle magic, or maybe starting to use crystals, carry them in your pocket, put them on your table where you do your finances. Just wanted to jump in, give you guys a video, touch base, say hey, I ain't going nowhere. Yes, and until next time, stay beautiful. You guys got this. You can do this. Peace out.